do 2 of those. Oh, there it is, y'all. I got that pastrami. 2 separate sandwiches, man. I mean, 2 entire sandwiches. What's going on, y'all? I'm out here at Harold's by suggestion of King Cobra. We're here. I'm gonna go up front. I got lost a little. Well, I didn't really get lost, y'all. I made the turn right before that sign. It's an Amazon warehouse there. But now I'm over here. It looks kind of weird over here, y'all. I gotta show y'all a picture of the whole spot. If it was not for that sign, I wouldn't have known Harold's was back here. I had my GPS on and it still had me turn one little alley before this one, man. Let's go back here and see what Harold's is about. Let's go in and check it out. Harold's New York Deli, y'all. Look at those cakes, man. Look at these cakes. How you doing? Look at them cakes, man. That cheesecake any good? What's up, man?
How are you?
All right. I heard this is good pastrami here.
The best in the world.
It's the best in the world. Did you hear him say the world, man? All right, we're gonna sit here, y'all. No, tell me about your stories, though. You been here before? No, you haven't been here before.
My father-in-law has brought it to us.
Okay.
We live down in South Jersey.
Okay.
But yeah, it's fantastic.
Oh, there it is, y'all. I got that pastrami on rye with that. What kind of cheese is it again? Swiss cheese. Almost says. What is that?
Russian dressing.
Russian dressing. Ooh, got the Russian dressing, y'all. We about to dig in, y'all. We got the mustard right there. I got my pickles. Look at that. That was pretty fast, y'all. What's going on, family? We here. Our pastrami just came out. Y'all see that big hole in my jacket, man? I don't like buying clothes. Plus, this is in style, right? Been wearing a big hole in your jacket. This your man, Matt DV. We're at Harold's in Edison, New Jersey. I'm about to dig into it, man. I ain't gonna waste no time. Got the little flag right there. See that? Ding-a-ding-a-ding. All right, set it here. We're gonna cut. I'm gonna just cut right into this, man. Cut into all of that Swiss cheese on the top. I just want to taste the pastrami. Uh-oh, I'm shaking. I want to taste that pastrami there, y'all. Let's check it out, all right? I just cut a big hole into it. I don't know if you can see that. I gotta lift it up for y'all. See that? See that? See that big hole I cut in there? First, I just want to taste the pastrami. I got a big chunk of pastrami here. Let's see how it tastes. That pastrami is tender, and I like. It's like some people like their meat really lean. I like to taste that little fattiness in there, man. That really has that flavor in it, that fattiness flavor. You know what I'm talking about? So far, this is really, really good. And y'all know I gotta compare it to Cats and Hobbies in Newark, New Jersey. Big up to Hobbies, man. Very, very similar. Not all three. Hobbies and this one here. But Katz's have the thicker pieces of meat. I'm not interested in those thick pieces of meat. I like the thin slice, man, and these are very tender. So far, so good. I got my pickles here. I like them light green pickles because they're not really that salty, but they're like the perfect deli pickle. This is cut in half. I gotta figure this out, man. I gotta figure this out. It's like we have 2 separate sandwiches here. That's how much food you get. It's a lot of food. Oh, I gotta look. Look, and you get 2 more pieces of bread here. See that? I just want to eat the meat though, man. Look at that good meat right there. See that? Very tender. As soon as you put it in your mouth, it's melting in your mouth. I know I'm only gonna eat half of one of these sandwiches. Oh, I need some mustard though. I got mustard here. I might even put some coleslaw on the sandwich. So let's do this. Let's do this right, y'all. Take a little of that mustard. It look like that golden spicy brown mustard. Right there. All right, and then I am actually going to put Let me break a piece of that. Swiss cheese has that distinct, delicious flavor. Am I right? Let's put some coleslaw in it now. All right, let's mix that up. You know, I'm gonna put the coleslaw under the cheese. Is that all right? Put that coleslaw right there under the cheese. Now you're talking. This is traditional pastrami. I don't know if you guys hear those buzzers going off. There's some type of alert going on. Okay, here we go. Check it out. I don't know which way to bite into it. Right there. There's some meat right there and cheese. That is really good. We're at Harold's, y'all. The meat is delicious by itself, but once you mix that coleslaw and that golden brown mustard, it really adds to the flavor, man. It's delicious. Now let me mix that pickle. I also have some Russian dressing. I'm gonna add that to it. I just don't want it all over the sandwich. Yo, this is huge. This is definitely a sandwich for 2 people, maybe 3, but 2 people at least. I got water, y'all. I told y'all I'm gonna start drinking more water. Even though I told y'all that I haven't been, I've been drinking soda, but I gotta stick to the water, man. Soda is not good for me. I don't know if you can see, I also picked out, because I saw the other young man getting these pickles with the hot crushed peppers on them. Can you see those crushed peppers? Okay. Delicious, thank you.
Are you okay?
Let's try that. What's that? What's that hanging on there? Okay, that's just a piece of pickle. Let's try this out, y'all. They are spicy, and they're a little sweet. I don't really like sweet in my pickle. I want it to be all sour. But those aren't bad. It's always good to try something new, right? I don't like sweet pickles. We used to get the sweet relishy type pickles in the jar when we were kids, and I would go and pick them out. I thought they were so nasty. I like these pickles though. They have some more sour pickles up there too, but this is perfect for me. I said I was gonna try the Russian dressing. I didn't yet. That's gonna be next, and we're gonna shut this video down. We're still on the same sandwich. I'm gonna put a little Russian dressing on it. Like it's falling apart on the other side here. Russian dressing, adding it to this half of the sandwich. See, next time I gotta bring somebody out here with me, man. What's bugging me out is this hole. Y'all see that hole? Let me slide it over there so you can't see it. Just in case y'all thought I was Gucci, I ain't all that Gucci. This is the Gap. All right, here we go. It's getting a little sloppy, y'all. Getting it a little sloppy. Some of y'all like it sloppy. I ain't messing with y'all. It's official, y'all. Harold's New York Deli down here in Edison, New Jersey. Come check them out. It'll be worth the trip. Did y'all know? look, like I'm self-conscious about my jacket. That this jacket is starting to fall apart right there. All right, what was I doing? I want to bite one more piece. No, I said I was closing out. I'm gonna eat some more of that. This is your man Matt DV here at Harold's Deli in Edison, New Jersey. Thanks for coming out. Nobody told you they love you today. You hanging with the wrong people, but you hanging with the right cat. Now, love you cats. Hey, thanks for all of our subscribers for subscribing. Thanks for all of those who joined us on Patreon. That's patreon.com/Matt DV Williams. Also, thanks for those that hit that $ thanks button just to show a little extra thanks. I normally sell that I drink coffee when I'm editing. That's like 4 times a week when I'm editing. I usually drink like maybe 3 or 4 cups of coffee then. So thanks for supporting my coffee habit, and I'll see you guys at the next one. Matt DV out. Peace. That's my to-go box right there, y'all. Oh, I gotta put that piece of bread on there. Oh, I almost left my piece of bread here. And then I got my coleslaw, I got the mustard. That's it, not too bad, right? $33. Basically, I got 2 whole sandwiches out of that.